Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful day. I am vlogging today. As you can tell, the lighting is really bad. There we go. Maybe that's a little bit better. I can't really tell, but hi. We are actually going on a little outing today. I'm very excited about it. It's not a very big outing. It's not super exciting. However, I thought, we're actually getting out today. We have a car today. So I might as well just show you what we end up doing. So I do know that we are going to take Valentina, that is one of Raf's cousins. We're taking her to the station so she can get on a train and then get on a plane. She's going to Rome, or Naples. She's going to Naples to visit her dad. So, and she's leaving the car with us. So we do have a car for a while. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but I'm very excited about it nonetheless. So I thought that I would vlog, but I did my makeup. I put on my brows and lipstick. That's considered makeup for me right now. Now I'm gonna change really quick, and I'm just so excited to get out of the house. I think we're gonna go to like a more fancy cafe. Ooh, she's here, I gotta go. Here is my outfit for the day, if you can see this. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, that might be a little bit better. Anyways, here's my outfit. I have just on like this green tank top with some jeans, and then I have my Lady Dior bag. That's it. Okay, we are done with breakfast, and Valentina got set off. She is going again to see her dad in Naples, but now we are actually going to be heading home because I do have something very exciting. I don't want to say too much just because I don't know if it's going to happen, but I do have a job prospect, so I'm super excited about that. I applied and I did get a message back, and now I'm going back home to do an assessment really quick. So fingers crossed. I kind of just, pray for me. If you pray, if you don't pray, then just hope. Just give me all the positive vibes, So yeah, I'm super excited about it, and it seems like it would be a good position. So yeah, I would be, and just imagine how amazing that would be. A couple of months ago, I'm gonna cry about it. A couple of months ago, I posted that, like, I don't know what I'm doing. I lost my job. It was, I didn't know what to do next. So then I came to Italy, and that was amazing. And now just imagine if on the way back home from Italy, I actually have a job, or like I'm going for an interview or something. Like, I'm so excited, and I really hope that works out. But anyways, we're gonna head back home, and Raf stopped off at a store to get some drinks. But yeah, I'll let you know whenever I'm done with the assessment. And then I think we're gonna go back to the square today. We're gonna go to the Four Seasons thingy. I actually have not seen that yet. The first time we went to the square, on my birthday, you saw that vlog. The first time we went to the square, I didn't actually go to the Four Seasons because I was too tired. So I think we're gonna go there today. But anyways, I'll take you with me. I think we'll have lunch and stuff there and just hang out and have a good day. Okay, hi, I'm back home now, and I actually just finished, my goodness, I'm like choking every time I vlog. I just finished the little assessment. It was basically what I thought the assessment was gonna be like. It was one of those, like, here are a couple of options. Do you choose agree or disagree? Kind of like those. And then it had like a few math questions and stuff, like percentage questions. Percentages are pretty easy. They're not too hard, so that was fine for me. And then yeah, and then I had like a test, like a simulation test thing that I had to go through. So that was easy. Took about an hour to do. But yeah, now me and Raf, hello!
Hi.
And now me and Raf are actually going to be using the car again, and we're going to go to the square. We're going to go to the Four Seasons thing. I'm super excited. So we made it to the square, and now we are headed to, what's it called again?
Spinato.
Spinato. And
if it's open.
If it's open, hopefully it is.
Yeah.
And they have like this pizza, but it's like in cubes.
Yeah, they cut it into squares, and then they give you a stick and it makes it a lot easier to eat while you're standing.
Well, there you go. So that's super exciting.
Yeah, I think the reason why they do that is because Italian pizza is a lot softer than American pizza. So American pizza, you've got a slice, particularly New York style, it just holds itself, it's firm.
Yeah.
But Italian pizza, it's going to go like that.
It's floppy.
Yeah, it's fluffy. So
floppy.
Floppy, yeah, it flops, yeah. So they do that. They cut it into squares, give you this little like cardboard plate.
Yeah.
And then a stick, and you can just, you know, pinch it and eat it.
Well,
but it's great pizza.
Well, I'm super excited. And then we found out they have boba here. They have bubble tea here. Yeah, bubble tea. And I definitely want to get one of those. I'm super excited about that.
Yeah, I'm having bubble tea too.
Yeah. I haven't had a bubble tea in like probably a year and a half, 2 years. It's been a long time. Anyways, I'll show you the food whenever we get it. Look at this, how cute. Oh, you can eat. For some reason I thought it was gonna be different than this, but like it's just like a pizza cut in squares. Like how cute is that? We popped into the Lego store. Yeah, no, these are like super intricate. Wow.
They have cannoli with, there's classic
chocolate,
chocolate, almonds, and hazelnut. Hazelnut sounds
wow, good. You want to try that?
Yeah, I might, but we need to first get the bubble.
Okay, get the bubble.
Yeah,
we're going to get bubble tea.
I'm interested in that.
All right.
Look at that.
Wow.
Goodness gracious, you need to come back here. I should have lunch or something like that.
We went to H&M as well. And here it is. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So we have the 1, we've got 2, 3. Hopefully you can even see that right there. And then 4. Look at the mini taxis. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness.
So, you see the name, that's not English, because in English you would read it ape.
Ah, ape.
It's ape, which means bee in Italian.
Oh, bee.
So they're bee taxis. Yeah, bee taxi.
That's the cutest little thing. This is the first time I've ever seen these here.
Yeah, me too.
So apparently, what is this called?
Fontana Pretoria.
This apparently used to be in Florence.
Yeah.
And Palermo bought this fountain and it was moved here piece by piece.
Yeah, and rebuilt.
That is insane.
It's also called Piazza Vergogna, which means the square of shame, because they're all naked.
Oh no. Why?
What do you mean why?
Why are they all naked? Why is it shame?
Well, they are ashamed of being naked. That's what it's like embarrassing.
I think we're gonna go get a cannoli now.
Cannolo.
Cannolo. Oh, hi. We're back home now, as you can see, and I have just come out of the shower. I washed my hair and everything. Feeling very fresh, very clean, but we're back home. We had a great time out. Did I film the cannolis?
No.
I didn't film the cannolis. Oh my gosh. Well, we had cannolis. I had a chocolate one. Raph had one with
hazelnut.
Yep, hazelnut. They were pretty good. I liked them. There was one place that I really want to go to. It's like where they have cake in a cup. And they had like all kinds. They had red velvet cake. They had like this.
They had red velvet?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have
I think so. Velvet. They had something red velvet.
That would really surprise me, red velvet in Italy, but we'll see.
Maybe it was like a... I don't know, but they had Oreo as well.
Yeah, I saw that.
But they had Kinder Bueno ones, they had Duplo ones, and they had crepes and waffles too. Like, I definitely want to go there again and eat that.
Yeah, on Tuesday. I'll take you on Tuesday.
Yeah, I'm actually going to get my nails done again on Tuesday. Well, I'm going to get these taken off because I don't really want another gel manicure. I'm just going to get these taken off and get my real, like my actual nails shaped a little bit, and then just get like a basic polish. And clear coat or whatever to go home. So yeah, he's gonna play Conan with his cousin. I think I'm going to just watch a little bit of YouTube and chill, but I'll tell you when something else interesting happens. I'm actually really excited because I'm getting food here in a minute. Well, me and Raph are both getting food here in a minute. My hair looks great, thanks for asking. No, I just washed it and now it's just kind of like air drying. Also, I got this sweater from H&M today. It looks just like a white sweater, but nay, it's actually a black pink sweater. It says black pink like on the back. It's really cool, but I got it in an extra large just to be super cozy, and it's really nice. I like it a lot. It's got super soft inside. I like it a lot, but it's very big, and it's definitely my jam. But Raph is going to get the food right now. We ordered Chinese. We eat so much Chinese, but like seriously, it is so good here. I don't know what it is, but the sweet and sour sauce is really good. Oh, there's my man with the food. Oh my gosh. He's got the goods. I'm so excited. Good morning, everyone. It's Kenzie from the future. Hello, it's the next day. We are in the car. We just had breakfast at a place called San Michele. I haven't been here since the last time I came, and it's right next to, a church. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. Yeah. It's right next to a church. And now we are actually, I didn't plan on vlogging this today because I didn't know we were going to do this, but we're going to see if, since we have the car, we have Valentina's car because she went to see her dad yesterday. So we are going to drive past the Norman Palace and see if we can see from the outside. And then if we can, we'll see if we can go inside as well. We don't know if we can or not, but seeing it from the outside would be nice too, because I've never seen this either. I didn't even get to see it when I came last time. So yeah, so we're gonna have a little bit of an extended vlog today. Raph's gonna make sure we parked the car. Or not park the car, he's gonna make sure that the car is locked. Anyways, we made it over here. This is actually my first time being in this part of Palermo. And it looks really nice, it looks really pretty. Let me turn you around. Look at that! It's all very nice, and apparently the entrance to the Norman Palace has changed. So, yeah, we're gonna go try to find the entrance to that. And then apparently there's like a garden as well, which is supposed to be really pretty. So, we'll check for everything. Here's the outside. Wow. Well, we're back in the car now, as you can see. I do apologize. We couldn't go inside because we had to have had a COVID test within 48 hours, and we didn't know that. I mean, we totally could have checked online to see the requirements, but we didn't. We just kind of like a spur of the moment thing after breakfast. Raph was like, ooh, Norman Palace, and I was like, great, let's go. So, and then it turns out we tried to buy the tickets, couldn't get them. They were like, do you have a COVID test? And I was like, no. And they were like, well, you have to have one within 48 hours. So we were like, oh, okie dokie. So maybe we'll come back because I do have to get a COVID test on the 21st before I go back to America. So we'll see if we can come back then. So I do apologize, but we did see from the outside, and it was cool from the outside. So anyways, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I meant to end it last night, but I forgot. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Babe.
Yes.
Tell them to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe if you haven't already.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.